Hey guys, welcome to Climb. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. So over here is our kids area. We have climbing walls on 3 of the walls, and then a little slide for them to slide down, and also some foam for them to play with. And then over here we have the adult climbing wall, and here we're strictly a bouldering gym, so you won't find any rips here. We have a mat that covers the entire floor, so when you get to the top of the wall, you just jump down and the mat catches you. And we have climbing for everybody, so we're good for beginners all the way up to more advanced climbers. And we also have ninja equipment, so we have warped wall, just like the one that you would see on the TV show. It's almost the exact specs as the one on the show. Yeah, we have more ninja equipment too, like the pegboard and quintuple steps. Alright, one of our coolest features here is the moonboard. It connects to an app on your phone, so you can get the app on your phone and pick a problem, and it'll light up on the moonboard. And the cool thing about it is that anybody in the world that has a moonboard can create problems. So you can climb something that was created from someone in Japan or Europe or anywhere around the world, and you can also create one so that people from around the world can climb your problems. This is a more advanced section of the wall, so it requires a lot more strength. We offer day passes, memberships, couple memberships, and family memberships, as well as birthday parties. And when you come here, you're gonna have to fill out a waiver, and then we supply shoes for you. Come visit us soon. We're open 4 to 9 Sunday through Thursday, and 4 to 10 Friday and Saturday.